we will implement the warrant of arrest.
Sir, after sakali ma-arrest niyo si Sir Navarro, ano po ang directive sa inyo? Saan niyo po siya didiretso? Where will you take him? Ano ang custody niyo?
It will be turned over to the Department of Justice. Sila na po.
Sila magpo-custody niyo.
Yes. Yes, he is a former police officer. Napakaganda ng career niya, especially the fight against crime, no? At maintenance of peace, not only in Mindanao, but the whole country, especially when he became one-star general, became leader or chief of the Philippine National Police. At alam niya naman ang proseso, no? If we can imagine yung paggastos natin, utilize the resources in conduct of manhunt, in the implementation of warrant of arrest, and other police operations to implement it, it involves a lot of resources. Kung pwede naman siyang mag-surrender, yield himself. And that is the most peaceful thing as a Pinoy.